Hey everybody, this is the same canvas from the last video. I kept playing around with the wet towel swiping, and so I ended up just ruining it, but I was having so much fun, so I just kept wanting to experiment and see what happens if I swipe it this way or that way or whatever. So I kind of, quote, ruined it on purpose. So I have nothing to show you from yesterday. You'll see I have blue paint. We'll see how long I can keep these clean. I bought new things. I'll show you what these are. This is exactly what they are. They are they're like the things you put on the wall and you attach shelves, those hooks for board shelves. I think this was like $3.50. So, Rubbermaid sells it. I think it's Rubbermaid, but theirs are a little bit more. I don't know what brand this is. So, and they always build up so much with paint that it makes it uneven because one is taller than the other. But painter's tape doesn't want to stick. I think I'll put packing tape on it, but for now, this is still better than nothing. So my husband and I were out shopping today, and I had on my hashtag Love Win shirt, which is like 3 or 4 years old. I bought on Etsy, and I always get tons of compliments on it. My husband had on a Schrodinger's cat is dead, on the back it says is alive. So we were getting compliments on her shirt, so I decided that we're going to do a rainbow mallet smash. But I think I'm going to do each color separate, smash them, and then tilt all together. So we'll see what that turns out looking like. I'm really not entirely sure. I'm going to try and be really careful about cleaning the mallet between colors, because I think that will make a big difference. And the colors are Artist Loft Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Metallic Purple, Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Grumbacher Process Yellow. This is a mix of different reds. Artist Loft Metallic Orange, so lots of metallic, which I didn't even realize when I picked those all out. And then my white is Dutch Boy Interior Latex Paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And as I said when I did this the other day, it's a well-loved canvas, and it's got a layer of gesso on it now. Yikes. So since, oh man, I hope I don't need more than that. So since it's summer and I'm not working, except for like waiting tables, I started, of course, now there's only a few weeks left of summer, but, well, actually Orange is the New Black comes out on Friday. So I told my husband that I will be busy all weekend. And I just got that new bed that like raises, so I figure I'm gonna sit pretty in my bed and I'm gonna watch Orange is the New Black. So that, hopefully that's my weekend, we'll see. Oh, so I started on Amazon today, Goliath, with, oh my God, why am I totally blanking? Billy Bob Thornton. So I watched the first episode and I think I'll like it. There's 2 seasons. Seems like my type of show. So if you've seen it, don't give me any spoilers. Okay. Canvas. There's a chunk right there. which makes sense considering this was the very bottom of, okay, was the bottom of the paint bucket. Ugh, there we go. Now since I had shaken that, I'm going to torch the bubbles out of it. And I had spotted something, but I no longer spot it. Okay. So I'm just gonna put, gosh. Oh, you can hear my husband making us dinner up there. We're having falafels tonight with a little Greek salad, or whatever you want to call a salad. Where do I want to put this? Do I want to do individual colors? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. The worst that happens is I end up scraping the same canvas off again. I wonder if after a certain amount of times, if I have to retire it like a racehorse. Now, canvas, you can go to pasture. Play with all the other retired canvases. It looks like Wonder Bread right now. Ah, that is quite a symmetric circle, which I did not really want. But I'll be smashing the heck out of it anyway, so. Gosh, that green. All right. Okay. Got the yellow. And the red. Whoa. Green really wanted the attention, didn't it? Last but not least, yellow. Okay. Those of you who have recently said, oh, I did a mallet smash and it went all over my kitchen. Are yours ever messy? Yes. Yes, they are. I'm going to torch all these little air bubbles out of here. Get these paints out of the way. All right, so very pretty. I am going to see what happens if I try and tilt. I'm not really sure what will happen. Tilting towards the green, but I don't want it all to go away. Maybe just to get some of it off. Just gonna say, God, I don't want to drop this. I actually like it. So you gotta be patient. I'm trying to not get that orange to all the way go away. So I think in order to make that happen, it's going to have to go off the edge and I'm going to have to pull it back. Which if you know me, you know that's what I love to do. There we go. So I'm going to turn it around again. Thanks. Isn't that neat? I am really liking this. I wasn't super sure how it would turn out. I shouldn't have done the red and the green next to each other though, but it's not too bad. I'm surprised the orange and the purple look good next to each other. That's sometimes a dangerous mix. You can see I'm doing the same thing I did with the orange. I'm doing with the purple. And hold on a minute. Yes, I'm making a video.
Like you paused?
No, but what do you want? I guess he's walking away. I'll never know what he wanted. I'm sure it had to do with dinner. Because I can't really pause this. I could edit it, I suppose, but it's a lot of time and effort. I like it. Green paint everywhere. A rainbow mallet smash. Let's see. Oh, that had yellow in it, or orange. Oh well, it's okay. Really like the colors. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go see what he wanted and I'll catch you next time. Bye.